This is a video tutorial on how to use the bulk uploader on elderlyiron.com. First thing you're going to do is log in. Use your nickname and password. I'm going to go fast on this thing, so if you need to, just pause it and rewind it and catch back up. Go to My Account up in the main menu, and over on the left down here it will say Online Bulk Loader. As the instructions say, this page allows you to preset your repeated information prior to making multiple listings. So the first thing you do is check the box in the field for the information that's going to be the same, and then enter the information in that field. So what we're going to do here is we're going to list some parts for a 1997 Cadillac Eldorado ETC. I just want parts for sale. Where is it? There it is. And we're always going to have it bold. So that's going to be the same on everything we put up in the next couple minutes. Banner I want to leave alone. Quantity will be the same. Auction type is the same. Description I want to leave alone. That's going to change. Country is going to change, or is going to be the same. Location is going to be the same. Country is going to be the same. Start time is going to be different on every one. The duration is going to be the same on every one. I use 15 to 21 days. Categories, I'm going to put it in two categories. One is the antique car and truck parts, which is the main category. The subcategory under that is antique auto parts. I know it's not an antique. This is only for demonstration. Now there's a problem with the software in that you cannot upload pictures while you're using the bulk loader. So just check every one of these and they'll stay out of your way. Accepted forms of payment, it's going to be the same on every one of my ads. Cashier's check, personal check, see item description, and PayPal. My shipping is always going to be the same. The buyer pays actual shipping costs, international, and see item description. My prices are always going to change, so I don't want to keep those, or I don't want to check those, I should say. Bid increment is always going to be the same. Dynamic bid, that fools the snipers, the sniping software programs that throw in a 1 penny bid at the very last second. What this does is reset the timer so that it foils the snipers. I don't ever use it, but there's no point in having it in my way. Other settings. You'll want to check both of these. Always feature it in the front page and always feature it in its category. That way you get 2 more listings on the website, better search engine returns. Auto relist. I'm going to go to the maximum of 9 times in case it doesn't sell, which there's no extra fee for that. Auction is private, so it hides the email. And set your defaults. Now when you go to place an ad, all those fields are filled out and you don't have to do it over and over and over again. So the only thing you have to do is, on this, we're going to say left door. Or better yet, I'm going to say headlight, because that's the way the photos will work out. We'll enable that, and we'll go headlight. Learn how to spell. There it goes. Let's see. They get $200 for these, so minimum bid, we'll say 50. Reserve, make it 100, and give me 125. You'll save $75, and you get to buy that headlight. Looks like I didn't check the images for full-size image 3, so that shows up, but we'll ignore it. Add the item. Brings you to the next one. And we'll say park light. Now remember, we defaulted this to 97 Cadillac. Park light. And let's see, how much do they get for those online? They get about $50 for those. So I'll say minimum bid of 10, reserve of 25, and buy it now for 35. Add item. And let's see, we'll put wheel on this one. We're not even going to bother with the reserve. We'll just do $50 on that. And we'll add that. Now, if you want to change the type of vehicle that you're going to do or any of your other default items, just click Reset Defaults. It'll take you back to the previous page, and you can reset all of your defaults in there. Now, if you click Log Out of Bulk Sell, it's going to take you back to the home page. And we don't really want to go there. We want to go to My Account. And we want to edit the items we just put up there. Now, the previous ad I had said Eldorado. The new ads say Cadillac Eldorado. So I know that those are what I just placed up there. In my description, in the banner, it says Wheel. So what I'm going to do is put Wheel up there. And now I can upload my pictures. So I think Wheel was somewhere around number 5. And a studio thumbnail, I highly recommend always using a studio thumbnail. And I'll show you where that is when we get done here. Feature in studio, or else your studio thumbnail picture will not show up. Save. Edit another. Brings you back to the menu. You can see where it said Wheel Parts there. Park Light. So up here in my title, I want to put Park Light. Change your description, whatever you need to do. Browse, I think that was photo number 2. And we're just going to put one photo because it doesn't take as much time to load. Feature that. Oh, studio thumbnail is empty, so we can't do that. And we'll save. Now we're going to go back to the account and show you what it looks like here. You'll see that it says Wheel Parts here, Park Light there, and the only one we haven't changed still says Eldorado Parts for Sale. So then when we go to the home page, here's our listings. Wheel. It actually came out to look like a wheel. This is a studio thumbnail. So if you don't put a studio thumbnail up, you won't have a picture here. This is what it looks like if you don't have a studio thumbnail. So there's how to use the bulk uploader on ElderlyIron.com. We welcome you to come on board, start listing your cars and parts, and when you do, make sure you tell everybody you know, because the more you tell, the more you sell. Thanks for watching.